I saw her watching us, the woman in the red coat. She stood near the trees. Her eyes were on my daughter, Marcy. I felt scared. Something was wrong. Marcy was playing on the swings. She was laughing and having fun. Her left leg was strong now. You could not tell she had problems when she was born. I remembered those dark days. Her leg was twisted when she was a baby. The doctors said it happened during birth. They said they could fix it, but it would take time and many operations. For 3 years, I fought for Marcy. I took her to the hospital every week. I held her when she cried after the operations. I stayed awake many nights when she was in pain. Now her leg was normal. She could run and jump like other children. The woman in red started walking toward us. Her face looked angry and sad. "Marcy, come here," I called. But the woman reached her first and grabbed her arm. "Let go of her," I shouted. I ran to them and pulled Marcy back. Other people in the park were watching. A man with a dog walked closer. The woman's voice shook.
"Don't hurt her."
"I'm calling the police," I said. I took out my phone.
"Please, don't call the police. I need to tell you something,"
she whispered. "You tried to take my child," I said.
"She is my child,"
the woman said. I froze. She sounded crazy. "You're sick," I said. Tears filled her eyes.
"I switched the babies in the hospital."
My heart was racing. I didn't believe her. She kept talking.
"Your daughter was born healthy. Mine was born with the twisted leg. I didn't want a disabled baby, so I took yours when the nurses weren't looking."
I felt sick. "You're lying."
"I'm not lying. Look at her. She looks like me, not you."
I looked at Marcy. Her small nose, her blue eyes. My eyes were brown. My husband's eyes were brown too. I always thought she looked different. "Why are you telling me this now?" I asked.
"Because her leg is better. She's perfect now. I want her back. And I think you should have your real daughter."
She pointed to a blue car. A small face was at the window. A little girl with brown eyes like mine. Marcy held my hand tight. She was my whole world. She was the daughter I raised. I made her healthy. I made her happy. But my real daughter was in the car. What happened to her in these 3 years? Where was she raised? Did she get enough love? I felt so guilty. What kind of mother was I? I lost my baby at birth. Now I had 2 daughters, but I didn't know what to do. What would you do in this situation? Write your answer in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English stories. Lesson of the day, guilty. Guilty means feeling bad because you did something wrong. Example from the story. I felt so guilty. What kind of mother was I? More examples. I didn't feed my dog. I felt guilty. I felt guilty for not telling the truth.